Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar and today I will explain 2 and 23. First question which is related to the compounds is that is the round bottom flask in the fountain experiment is filled with. So here answer will be HCl gas. Dear students, fountain method is used to find the presence of HCl gas in any composition in any flask. Fused alumina is reduced to aluminum by electrolytic reduction since alumina is highly stable so that it is used in the process of reduction. The reaction taking place in the Haber's process क्या आएगा इसमें that is exothermic and reversible reaction. In Haber process, we make ammonia by the reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen. When one molecule of nitrogen react with 3 molecules of hydrogen gas, we get 2 molecules of ammonia plus energy. That's why it is exothermic and reversible reaction. Next question is reaction of aqueous ammonia with nitric acid produces ammonium nitrate and water. Next question is strong electrolyte is alcohol is a non-electrolyte, acetic acid is a weak electrolyte, glucose is also a non-electrolyte while hydrochloric acid is a strong electrolyte. Next question is a hydrocarbon which is a greenhouse gas. So methane is a greenhouse gas. This gas is also known as Mars gas while acetylene is used to the food ripening. Ethylene is also used in the food ripening. Acetylene is also used in the welding purpose. Next question is a non-polar covalent compound is ammonia is a polar compound, water, hydrogen chloride all are polar compound while methane contains 4 similar hydrogens tetrahedrally with carbon, so it is a non-polar compounds. Non-polar compounds are those compounds which has one pole. The chemical name of the principal ore of aluminium, that is hydrated aluminium oxide, which is commonly known as bauxite. A compound X changes blue litmus paper to red. It reacts readily with potassium chloride to yield hydrochloric acid. What is compound X? So here will be sulfuric acid. Next, if the RMM of ozone is 48, then its vapor density. Dear student, vapor density equals to molecular mass upon 2. तो यहाँ पे 48 divided by 2 equals to 24. An alkaline metal found in period 3rd and group 2. This is alkaline means group 1 element. That is hydrogen in period 1, lithium, सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सो यहाँ पे एल्कलाइन मेटल की बात कर रहे हैं. ग्रुप 3rd एंड पीरियड ग्रुप 2nd में तो ये हो गया बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम. पीरियड 3rd मीन्स मैग्नीशियम, सो हियर आंसर विल बी मैग्नीशियम. An alkaline has 75 carbon atoms in its molecule. Now, the number of hydrogen atoms in its molecule will be CnH2n. CnH2n is the formula -2 is the formula of compound alkyne compounds because they contains triple bond. So its number of carbon will be C as 75. 75 2 is 150 -2 148. An aqueous solution of HCl gas is named muriatic acid. muriatic acid. Two neighbors of a homologous series differ by CH2 group. Which of the following can be used as a drying agent for ammonia? Calcium oxide is used as a drying agent for ammonia. Now we will start question number 2, in which we will discuss a case study type question. So here the name of catalyst, I am not studying here study, you can learn it by pausing this video. Name the catalyst used industrially which speeds up the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide, that is platinum or vanadium pentoxide. You can use any one catalyst to convert SO2 into SO3. SO2 into SO3. Next is write the equation for conversion. SO2 when react with oxygen in the presence of vanadium pentoxide or platinum, it gives sulfur trioxide plus heat. This is a reversible and exothermic reaction. Next question is what is the name of compound formed between sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid, that is oleum pyrosulfuric acid. H2S2O7 is the chemical formula of pyrosulfuric acid. Next, match the following mineral acids. Which of these is mineral acid? That is HCl. Mineral acid is HCl. Copper sulfate is of blue color. Alcohol contains OH group. This is here. And helium is a noble gas. Electronegativity increases across the period. Next, fill in the blank type questions. Complete the following crossings. The correct answer from the bracket. Zinc oxide is a base. Ionic or electrovalent compounds do not conduct electricity in their solid state, while they can conduct electricity in their fused or molten state. The catalyst used in oxidation of ammonia is platinum. The product formed when ammonia reacts with oxygen is nitric acid. The compound that have two lone pairs of electron is water, because ammonia contains only one and carbon tetrachloride does not contain any lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron means unshared pair of electrons. Now we will discuss identify the term. The experiment which demonstrate extreme solubility of hydrogen chloride gas is fountain method. The industrial process which start with the reaction of catalyst of oxidation ammonia. Preparation of nitric acid, which is also known as Ostwald process. The electrode where oxidation takes place always anode. Self-linking tendency of an element is catenation. Most self-linking tendency found in carbon. A substance that does not conduct electricity in